In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in a LinkedIn post. If you've ever used LinkedIn, you might have noticed that the platform doesn't natively support text formatting options like bold, italics, or underline. But don't worry, I've got a solution that will help your post stand out more and grab your audience's attention. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily bold your text for LinkedIn using an online tool. First things first, you'll want to head over to a LinkedIn text formatter. There are various options available online, many are free, and the best part is, you won't need to download any software or create an account to get started. Once you've navigated your way to an online text formatter, it will all become a breeze. There, you will find an input field. This is where the magic happens. You can either write your new text or simply copy and paste any pre-written content that you'd like to format. And just like that, as soon as you enter your text into the designated area, it automatically gets converted into various styles such as bold, italics, and underline. This instant transformation is incredibly handy, especially if you're working with multiple styling needs. After your text is formatted, take a moment to fine-tune it. This ensures that it aligns well with LinkedIn style guides and also matches the tone and voice of your brand. Once you're satisfied with how your text looks, it's time to move on to the next step. Go ahead and click on the Copy Text button. This action will store your newly formatted, eye-catching text in your clipboard, and it's now ready to be used in your LinkedIn post. Next, navigate back to LinkedIn. Whether you're crafting a post, updating a headline, or sending a message, this enhanced text is ready to go. Simply click into the text field within LinkedIn's interface and use the paste function. You'll see your finely styled text appear just as you formatted it, ready to catch the eyes of your connections and network. The use of such formatting tools has become quite popular among professionals who aim to create engaging and visually appealing posts. By employing these techniques, you can make your content more distinctive and memorable, which can significantly improve your communication and engagement on the platform. So, there you have it. A simple yet effective way to make your LinkedIn post stand out by using bold text. This tool is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to enhance their presence on LinkedIn without spending too much time or effort. By following these straightforward steps, you can start creating LinkedIn content that not only conveys your message but also resonates more with your audience thanks to its improved visibility.